Sarah, airports make me nervous.
Why?
I never know what to say in English.
Don't worry. Today I'll help you with all the airport survival phrases.
Really? That would be amazing.
Let's practice a real airport situation together.
Great. I want to feel confident when I travel.
Perfect. Let's start from the entrance of the airport.
Excuse me, where's the check-in counter?
It's over there, near the information desk.
Thank you.
Do you have your passport and ticket?
Yes, they're in my bag.
Good. Always keep them safe.
What time is our flight?
Our flight is at 8 a.m.
What time is it now?
It's 6:30 a.m.
We have time.
Should we check the flight information board?
Yes. Let's find our flight number.
Now, let's start discussion at the check-in counter.
Good morning.
Hello,
I would like to check in for my flight.
here's my passport.
Can I have a window seat, please?
I prefer an aisle seat.
How many bags can I check in?
You can check in one bag for free.
Is my bag overweight?
No, it's fine.
Here is my luggage.
Please put it on the scale.
Thank you.
Here's your boarding pass.
Which gate do I go to?
Gate 12.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 7:30 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice flight. Now, let's start discussion at the time of going through security.
Now we have to go through security.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, take off your shoes and jacket.
Do I need to remove my laptop?
Yes, put it in a separate tray.
Can I take water with me?
No, liquids are not allowed.
Okay, I will throw it away.
Put your bag on the conveyor belt.
And walk through the scanner. Now, let's start discussion about security questions.
Do you have any metal items?
No, I don't.
Please raise your arms.
Okay,
Thank you. You may go.
that was easy.
Yes, now let's go to immigration.
Now, let's start discussion at the time of immigration and passport control.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Tourism.
How long will you stay?
1 week.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel in the city.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Now, let's start discussion at the time of boarding the gate.
Where is gate 12?
It's straight ahead.
Let's sit and wait.
Is our flight on time?
Yes, no delays.
When will they start boarding?
In 10 minutes.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Now, let's start discussion at the time of boarding the plane.
Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. You may board.
Where is seat 14A?
It's near the window.
I can't find space for my bag.
I can help you.
Thank you so much.
Please fasten your seat belt.
Okay, done.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please. Now, let's start discussion at the time of arrival at destination.
We landed.
Let's go to immigration.
Welcome. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't.
Now let's get our luggage.
Where is baggage claim?
It's this way.
Great. Our trip begins now.